Now, we shall see the interesting story All Summer in a Day by Ray Bradbury. All Summer in a Day takes place on the planet Venus, a generation after the first colonist from Earth arrived there. Venus has a strange climate. Every 7 years after the sun comes out for just 2 hours, the rest of the time it rains every day. The planet is covered with thick jungles and unruly weeds. Humans live underground in a network of tunnels, eagerly waiting the very brief summer. Now, we shall see the detailed story of All Summer in a Day. Before that, we shall see the characters in the story. Margaret, William, other school children, and the teacher. A group of school children who lived on the planet Venus with their families. The children were only 9 years old. They are eagerly waiting for the momentous occasion. The strange thing about the planet was therefore, past 7 years it had been raining continuously for days, months, and years. The scientists had predicted that sun would appear for a very short duration. As per the prediction of the scientists, the children had prepared themselves by reading about the sun. Among the students, there was a girl named Margaret, who came to this planet when she was only 5 years old from the earth. She still remembered the sun, the sky, and how they looked when she was only 4 years old in the city of Ohio. The other children in the school had been only 2 years old when the sun had come out on Venus. Since they were small at the time, they had forgotten the color, the heat of the sun, and how it looked. When Margaret told them that the sun is like a penny or like a fire in the stove, nobody was ready to believe her. They thought she was lying. The whole class teased her. They hated her for her pale and snow face and quiet nature. And they locked her inside the closet before the teacher's arrival. At last, the school children, along with the teacher, witnessed the sun after 7 years. Their joy knew no bound. They felt very happy at the sight of the sun. The children kept running far away into the forest to feel the sunrise on their cheeks. They removed their jacket to leave the sun burn their arms. Again, the rain started, the sun disappeared. They felt very bad about that. After the enjoyment, they returned to their tunnel with the fresh memories of the sun. All of a sudden, one of the girls in the group remembered Margaret was still in the closet and she missed the chance to see the sun. They ran towards the closet to unlock her. They were guilty and could not see each other's face. They opened the closet and Margaret slowly came out. The author wanted to convey through this story the power of sun over children living on Venus is notable. They were pale and colorless. The lack of the sun had washed their compassion and consideration and empathy for the people. They didn't regain this until the sun reappears. The sun is life-giving for the landscape as well as inhabitants of Venus. Thank you.